In the last video, our agent answered one question and stopped. Real agents need to hold a conversation. Remember what was said before. LangGraph makes this trivially easy with MessagesState. MessagesState is a pre-built state class that manages your conversation history. You don't need to define the type dict yourself, just import it. Here's the key change. Instead of invoking once, we loop. Each iteration we take user input, invoke the graph, and print the response. The messages list grows with each turn. The next time we call invoke, the full history is in the state. Claude sees the entire conversation and responds in context. Notice we're using the same graph as before, just one LLM node. The power of LangGraph is that adding memory doesn't change the graph structure. You just pass the accumulated messages state. Let me show you one more important thing, the system prompt. We can inject a system message at the start of the messages list. This defines the agent's personality and behavior. For our job search agent, the system prompt will say, "You're a job search assistant helping freshers find software roles in India." Try this out, run it, ask 2 related questions, and watch the agent remember. Next video, we give our agent a real tool: web search.